Water, it sustains us, refreshes us, and drives our industries. At Waterco, our purpose is defined by a single, unwavering commitment. From our proud Australian roots in 1981 to a global presence today, Waterco has spent over 4 decades mastering the science of water treatment. What began as a local business has evolved into a global powerhouse. Today, we back our partners with an extensive network of regional branches, supported by manufacturing and distribution facilities worldwide. We aren't just suppliers. At our core, we are proud manufacturers. By driving the process from research and development to the factory floor, we maintain the strict quality control that guarantees ultimate product reliability. The very same engineering trusted by the world's largest commercial facilities is built into every family pool. Our expertise knows no bounds. From energy and water efficient equipment that safeguards family backyard pools, to complex systems powering commercial aquatic centres and industrial water treatment facilities. But what truly sets Waterco apart is our industry-leading commercial filtration. Our revolutionary fiberglass winding technology creates vessels built to withstand extreme pressure. For the home, for business, for industry. Choose the global leader with over 40 years of trusted expertise. Partner with Waterco and join us in the continuous pursuit of healthy, safe water environments. Waterco, pioneers in water solutions.